Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Rhys, and today we are going to be putting this window latch on because this one is broken. That one's not broken.
Not broken?
Broken.
Broken.
But soon it's gonna look like this.
And that is I think it's German, it's the Hehr Window Latch. Lifetime commitment, part number H695.
So this is gonna be pretty cool, really fun. It's gonna be a good time. As you remember in our last video, our last big video, we put in this. So that was fun, and we're gonna make it as fun as this fantastic fun fan.
And what are we in right now? What's the name of this vehicle?
The B190, but the Knotty Narwharl.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Trapped in the Sun. There are my wife and her twin, also known as the moms, over by the toilet, looking suspicious. Anyway, we're gonna replace the Hehr window latch. Rhys had to go do his screen time, so now it's my turn to have some screen time. All right, so we just unboxed the Hehr window latch, part number H695. This is what we found. We have the latch, we have this backing plate here, and then this is what we're going to be screwing into. So I'm going to put these two backing screws together like that and slip it behind the window here and then screw in. We'll see if we can get some footage of that. So I don't know if this is approved or not, but I am using one of the little plastic tool here to give some tension on the back, and then I'm unscrewing it this way. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is a little cheat is I'm gonna leave those two screws in place if I can, and then just put this over the top. So I'm going to use the existing hardware because I'm going to be a little bit of a shortcut. All right, backer plate onto the latch. Make sure that everything's in the right direction. Line it up. So backer plate like that. That's our setup. I get it started, then I'll put that little plastic piece once I get it lined up for some tension. All right, now the trick is to get that back in there and give it something to bite against. There we go. All right, got it started. All right, lined up the top one. Now it's time to go for the bottom one. Hit it. Oh, sorry, boring still, Rhys?
I'm not yawning.
I'm not crying, but if I was crying. All right, so now I'm gonna set the little tension way down so I don't break any windows here. And I can slowly ratchet that up as we're getting tighter and tighter.
If you do, that would make a great extra video.
Replacing the whole window? Nice.
Yeah. Just throwing a couple $100, nothing too crazy.
Yeah, we're trying to avoid that. I like the $7 latch versus the couple $100.
I can understand.
All right, so we're in a good spot.
Hey guys, well that's going to be a wrap for today.
Well, let's show them what happened. So the Hehr latch is all done. So we have our latch nice and sturdy. Super easy. Like I said, I cheated and I left some of that hardware in there. If you needed to, I think what you could do is just tape or place them in the back and then hit it up with the same kind of result. A little wedge seemed to work well to be able to have that screw bite or that bolt bite. Anything you noticed that you want to tell the viewers?
Well, I like it. It's really cool. Now, my only question for you guys is, did you like us? And if you did, you can show that by subscribing, liking. And if you really did like us and you want to get to know us, we will always respond to your comments.
All right. See you later, guys.